Today started great but finished poorly. Now today we made a significant adjustment. What we did is we had before two machine learning LLMs that we were using. We dropped one and then we brought in ChatGPT to try and fuse the two to hopefully start taking trades with the trend. And at first it kind of worked. We didn't take a lot of trades, but the ones we did take were pretty accurate. We were actually profitable at that time. I think we had taken like 8 trades in like 30 minutes, which is a pretty low volume for us. But it ended up working out okay to start. Now, in order to get a long or a short signal, both of the models had to agree on a direction. And there were a lot of candles, most trades were not agreed upon, and so we got neutral signals. Now, to tell the truth, I really didn't like not taking a lot of trades because the point of these systems is to try and capture as much value as possible. And if we're only taking one trade every 4 or 5 minutes, but we're missing solid moves in favor of really small moves that maybe don't make us a ton of money, I'm going to want to opt out of that. And so I did. Instead of keeping the same thing going and maybe just taking like 20 trades over 2 hours, I wanted to speed it up. So I changed the weighting on the systems to where it's going to favor ChatGPT more, or it's going to favor our other machine learning model more. And that really exposed, I think, the biggest issue with our system. And it's that our system likes to take reversals. It wants to catch the top and the bottom of price and signal that reversal. And it does so at tremendous cost to our win rate and overall profitability. So my homework is pretty simple. It's to cut out everything and anything that could possibly signal a reversal and see if that helps our system catch those big moves. Because once we catch that, that's when our profitability spikes. Even if our win rate doesn't trail, catching the largest moves will allow us to make the most amount of money. So we're gonna start there. We'll test it this afternoon, and then we'll see tomorrow morning how it turns out. Neutral, we'll go short right there. Stop. Nice. Awesome. Awesome. Good first here. Okay, I have a sell signal here. It's a pretty light one, but we'll take it. Let's see. Lower confidence, rather. Place that there. Okay, price got hit. Yeah, we'll take about 30 bucks on that one as well. I have a sell signal. We'll take that. And a neutral. Don't love the neutral. Tried to place that and I couldn't. 10-point stop here. Let's see. Man, I really am trying to place that stop, but it just won't let me get there. I'm getting an L for us. New signal about 15 seconds, new candle rather. All right, well back. All right, okay, 15 or 16 rather. Short. Ten-point stop. Move it up just a little bit, I guess. Go 12 points. Let's see. Price certainly looks like he's trying to reverse up a little bit. Let's see if we can get price to run down for us. There we go. Nice. All right, we made a little bit of money on that one. Not a lot, but not a great signal. Well, I guess we'll see what it ends up finishing as. Okay, not bad. Not bad. 17 signal. Neutral. I don't like that. That should be a short. That should be a short. Okay. All right. We'll wait here, but I think for today, we're 3 for 4, which is solid so far. So we certainly are take that. Entry could have been a lot better. Ooh, that's a lot of stoppage. Tried to place my stop, really couldn't. Let's see, try it again. Nice reversal action there. All right. Took the first signal we got, and it's not doing too much for us just yet. We get price to run up here. Sell again. Okay. I'm nervous about this one though. Okay, first 30 seconds going against us a bit. Placed, moved, tightly. We missed out on that quite a bit here. Another excellent call. Didn't see that one coming at all, but okay. Good trades there. All right, so again, we're still not calling the trends very well, and by trend I just mean the most obvious movement, but we have called a lot of these trades decently. 32. Short. 2 sell signals, we'll take that. I think I got a pretty good entry for this one. I think this candle's gonna end up being green, but we got a pretty good spot for this. Short. Entry was probably piss poor. Yeah. Entry isn't great here. I don't deserve to win this one. Back up 162. But on average, I would like to see. So 44, I should get 2. I got a short here, we'll take that. Throw our stop on there somewhere. And let's let it ride here. Oh. Made a couple bucks there. I think we're gonna miss out on this one. Maybe not. Yeah, we definitely missed out on some. Price is moving crazy. Yeah, that's tough. Good call. That's tough. One of my stopped to be in there nice and tight so that we could get price to run. We didn't get what we thought we were gonna get. We did not get what we thought we were gonna get. Sell signal here. Stop. I thought we got a pretty decent entry here. I thought we did, but maybe not. There we go. What? All right. Well, almost 200 bucks today. Good. Sell signal. All right, I tried to time that one up decently. I might have to suffer a little bit of drawdown here. Let's see what we got. Let's see. I thought I could get it so that we would get most of the drawdown that we're gonna see on this candle, but nope, this might be a full reversal. Yeah, I think so. All right, so we tried it. Gosh, this is gonna be tough. All right, I'll try to get the peak of this one. Placed. Wow, that's an incredible signal. Okay, we got about 100 bucks on 59 to sell. We can jump into that. It's given us enough room move that we could potentially make some profit here if it pulls back just enough. There it is. Okay. 142 for today. Might have the best signal in the world. Off a long, slightly delayed long. Well, that stunk. That wasn't a good one. Okay, I'll take that. That doesn't look friendly now, does it? There we go. 8 points here. Closer to 9 points. 8 points, right? Probably should have gone short on that. Okay. A little late to this one, kind of per usual. Let's see if we can jump in and get some profit here. So I've got mixed again. I don't love that. I'm about to get stopped out of this one. Yeah. Can do something here. Turn off the 1 minute. The stock market. So it's a much better indicator of what is going on. So we'll sell signal here. Okay, stop. Okay. Not looking friendly so far. Let's see if this thing can pull back for us. After all that, if we're only going to collect a few dollars, it doesn't really seem worth it to me. I love it too. All right, we're down 470 again. Dang it. All right. We should just match these up, I think. Probably a much smoother idea. All right, we made an update, and I don't love it. Okay, that's good. That's good. Timeout, Austin. See you, buddy. Always these weird names. A sell signal here. Take that. Stop. All right, we haven't won a trade here in the past couple trades, so we got to get back on track. There we go. Oh. Finally a win. We've definitely destroyed our win rate so far, but we got to get back on track here. We're at what, 15-7, back to 68. So we gotta get it going here again. Wins a short. Okay. Good trade there, trading back a little bit. Good. All right, I'll take it. Let's see. Ooh, bad choice. Let's see. Move it up just a little bit. Tighter stop than we would like. Let's see if price can stop here. If it can, cool. If it can't, then we'll be out of the trade. Kind of looking at this as my reference. New signal here in about 15 seconds, new candle rather. Ooh, we tried to place it, we couldn't. New candle here in 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Might get stopped out before this candle evens up. Okay. The long here as well. Entry was piss poor for this candle too, but let's see if it can run for us without any drawdown. That's kind of what we need. It's not kind of, it is exactly what we need. Long and short. Yeah, this one's gonna come down to us. Or not. Protect our loss here. Good. Nice. Just a little early. Good trade there. Got a long here again. This one, let's see what happens with this one. Okay. Good. Super tight stop here. Yep, nice. Puts down 190. Good trade there. Good stuff there. Just about. Okay. Good call there. Let's see what this next one is then. Sell signal. Six-point stop, which is pretty light for where we are, but we're gonna be wrong, we'll be wrong. I'm not gonna allow a loss to balloon. Let's see. Good, not good, not great. And a neutral signal, okay? So, no and no. All right. For sure, for sure. For sure, 19. Let's see here. Okay. My signal is sell. All right, stop right there. This is one of those where I think the candle's gonna end up being green, but we could make profit on it if it pulls back enough. But I don't know if I love a short on this candle here. Hell no. All right. So we've got, okay. All right. Stats show us that we are sitting at about 65%, so about the same as yesterday or so. We were better at the beginning, but not as good. Let's see. Long signal there and a short, no good. So we'll wait for that. Wait for that. Alan, is it hard making money trading? Yeah, I think so. I think it's difficult to make money trading. We do have a winning strategy. Like, we do know the predictive model works. We've gotten payouts from that. But the idea is, and we knew it's been a week since we got this new rollout. The idea is that if we can make this thing better or as good as it possibly can get, then we should be able to make even more money with this. That's the idea. So we're just watching something being built. We've been building it for a few weeks now. I guess this whole month rather. But the machine learning side of it is a week old. So not bad. ChatGPT had us profitable, I would say. Or I mean, we were profitable. But if we really want to make sure this thing continues to improve, we're gonna have to use machine learning and you have to train it. And training it is difficult because it doesn't learn exactly what I want it to learn every time, which is okay. It just takes time. It's been a week. It has been a week. And I'm more impatient than anybody else, but at times it's like, listen, it's been 7 days, 6 market days now. Like, I think we're doing okay. We're doing okay. So much so that our boy Andy, he really wants a part of it. He just can't get any, it sucks. Poor guy. All right, stop out there. Smacked. Okay. Smacked. Bad one there. Good one there. I think this is what I need to do though. I think that's the salute here. Yes. All right, new signal here. Wait for it. Short and, oh wow, okay. 2 shorts. Could be wrong, but let's see. Small victory. Yep. Okay. Not a terrible call, not great, but not terrible either. Our timing was better than anything there. Timeout. This is easy. I'm pretty sure this guy, I gotta figure out how he's doing this. He keeps getting into the chat. But it's always these random names that don't make any sense. 25's a short, we'll take that as well. A little late to this one. Small victory there, could add a little more. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how he does this. I'm trying to figure out how he does this. What a fucking loser, but I'm trying to figure out how he does this though. It's gotta be like, you join as a guest? That's the only way I can think of this. I think so. I'm figuring it out though. Nothing I can really do about it, I don't mind, but it's just hard work for him. All right, so, ooh, that was a crazy signal, okay. All right. That was actually a good signal if price is gonna jump like that. They are, Paris, for sure. I just don't know how you do that. Like, I'm not a big, I don't spend a bunch of my time creeping on social media, so I'm not totally familiar. But it feels like that, which isn't hard. You just have to get rid of them, but I'm gonna place it. That, we had a chance to really capture some money there, and we didn't, which is fine. But yeah, that had to be break even for sure. All right, 64%. These signals seem to be a little bit better, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know how you, I'm just not sure what the whole bot thing is. I'm pretty sure maybe you can pay somebody to do it. I'm not sure. All you have to do is report all of them, and then the IP address gets tracked and it's a wrap. So we'll just keep doing that. It's probably all coming from like the same place. We're at the office laughing. That makes no sense. Because who the fuck has time to, what are we doing? All right, long there. Definitely don't like my position here. Want to release the stop, just can't yet. There it is. What is that? Made some money there though, but like, damn. The other thing with Trade-Evade, or the best thing with Trade-Evade, is that we can get some of these fills. If we're on TradingView, it'd just be impossible. It would be borderline impossible. So, yep, yeah. Okay. Yeah, if you end up like a bot farm or something, then which I'm sure YouTube has their own thing, but like, you end up getting banned, and that'd be weird. Okay, technically bad signals here. We should be going short, but we were able to squeeze out some profit before we got punched out. And again, price is super choppy. So we'll wait. Okay, 28. Gives me a long. 2 longs. That's not good. Let's see if it can pop for us, because right now it's looking like it's going to drop on us. Yeah. Try this again.